Hey guys, so I have the hiccups right now, and I haven't posted a video in a while. I just got home from the mall with my friend Ellie, and I bought some rainforest scented incense that Jake has. And it smells really good in my room right now. And I just had a really big bowl of spaghetti. And now I'm really tired, and I still have the hiccups from the spaghetti. Ow. And I gave Ellie a necklace. It's like an octopus wrapped around brass knuckles. It's like that big. Ow. And yeah, so that's what's going on. I'll try to have more videos up later of my stretching and stuff, I guess, and more videos because I have a short request list. Ow, my thumb hurts. My voice sounds really high and really weird today because I'm sick again. But yeah, so I have a short request list of I think Jessica Jailbreak wants me to show how I do my makeup, I think, and other people want me to cut my hair again, and other people want to show, or actually a few people have asked me how I change my lip rings, and I'm like, I don't really know how to explain, and they're like, you should make a video, and I'm like, okay, so I'll make a video on how to change your lip rings, and I think there's more, but I don't remember. Ow, that hurt. But yeah, so that's what's going on. And more videos soon to come. Yeah.